Hook. Is it possible that something so small could change the world beneath the ocean waves forever? Setup/context. Join us on an extraordinary journey where beneath the cerulean waves of the great ocean, tales of mystery are as numerous as grains of sand on the seafloor. Our story today stars two unlikely heroes, a curious mermaid named Mira and a wise old turtle named Tully. Both denizens of this vibrant underwater world, they find themselves united by an unexpected mystery. A box, sealed tight, lying amid a coral reef. Main content story. One bright and shimmering morning, the sun's rays pierced down through the water, slicing apart the emerald seas with scintillations of light. Mira was playing in her favorite cove, darting through seagrasses, her iridescent tail flashing amidst the emerald hues. Her morning routine was delightful, but interrupted by a voice she cherished dearly. "Oh, Mira, slow down there before you raise a tsunami," grumbled Tully gently, ambling towards her. With a shell almost as wide as the kelp forests and eyes that had observed centuries of seafloor secrets, Tully moved at his own pace, a speed that could only be described as sloth of the sea. "Tully, look!" Mira called, her voice vibrant with the joy of discovery. "There's something here, something unusual." Together, they circled a small object wedged firmly between coral boulders. The mystery lay in a box that seemed foreign in its very presence. It was unlike any natural formation known to their world, crafted from a material both hard and shimmering in unexpected colors, even under sea's scrutinizing gaze. As instinctual fear mingled with an overwhelming sense of curiosity, this duo faced a predicament. What could lie inside? Jewelry of an ancient civilization, a treasure unimaginable. "I can swear by Neptune's beard, Mira. This is nothing I've seen before in all my journeys," Tully stated, with wisdom etched in his voice. Their task was clear: unlock the secrets within. But the challenge wasn't just courage, it was understanding. Do they open it alone? Do they seek advice from the elder sea creatures? Mira had known that this could ultimately alter their perceived histories forever. Driven by the currents of excitement and the undercurrents of dread, our heroes set off on a journey that took them to the gathering of the elders, an assembly of wise, ancient sea creatures convened at the grand palace of corals, with seahorses standing guard like valiant knights. As Mira and Tully gracefully addressed the council of elders, detailing their discovery of the mystery box, ripples of surprise spread amongst the multitude. "Such enigmatic artifacts belong to legends told by our forefathers," stated Elder Starfish, whose wisdom was as tenacious as his grip on rocks. "But we must explore them. Who knows what relics of wisdom or tales of yore may lie inside," urged Elder Jellyfish, her luminescent tendrils glimmering with possibilities. The debate was intense, yet fueled by unity and curiosity alike. Finally, a decision was rendered. The shell of mystery was to be opened, but with safeguards in place to ensure the safety of the ocean's harmony. With guidance from the elders, Mira and Tully ventured back to the site. There, surrounded by the curious eyes of their community, they prepared to unveil the secret. The tide felt heavy with the breath of anticipation. Resolution takeaway. With a heart steady and a spirit unyielding, Mira touched the box, and it was Tully's gentle nudge that encouraged the opening. Inside, the revelation was not jewels nor weapons. None sought for wealth or power, but scrolls, eerily preserved within. These scrolls depicted charts of the stars, ancient scripts of the tides, forgotten songs of unity sung by both sea and land creatures. This discovery was no treasure of material means, but a chrysalis of knowledge, meant to transform understanding between worlds. Mira and Tully had unearthed the chronicle of an ancient civilization that lived in harmony with both land and sea, a golden lesson from the past, echoing into their future. The adventure wasn't confined to just unveiling a box, but it unraveled the sheer potential of cooperation and mutual respect transcending across different species and eras. Mira and Tully realized that something so seemingly small could indeed hold the power to change the world positively forever. The story culminates not merely in what was found, but in what was learned. That mysteries sometimes mask timeless truths, proving that each creature, no matter its place or pace in life, holds the power to uncover and understand. So next time you spot something mysterious, dive in with curiosity. Who knows what wonders you may unravel? As the oceans teem with life, so too do they teem with stories just waiting to surface.